What's up guys, and welcome to this little tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can get transcript from any video from YouTube. Okay, first of all, we need to be sure that we are using YouTube of PC version, desktop version, and mobile application, and also for example mobile view won't be useful. So let's suppose that we're looking for videos from Mr. Beast. Let's going to enter it. Okay, and then for example this video. Okay, so here we got you got here the subtitles, okay? But you need the transcript of the video itself, okay? So you got option here and here that sometimes it says report and more options and it says show transcript, okay? But sometimes it's not. So you just need to the description of the video itself, okay? And here you got show transcript, okay? So at the side by the right, you got all the timestamp of the single transcript of of the video, and if you click it, okay, there is going to direct to you to to the part of the video where you click it before. Okay, also you can remove the timestamp. Just click on here. Okay, and toggle timestamps. Okay, so that's it. Also, there's another trick. So, for example, let's go for trying to search for keywords. Okay, so for example, let me say that we need to do to make the searching for video keyword. Okay, so you just need to click, just need to press Control F. Okay, and type video. Okay, and it's going to show you how many times video is being mentioned in the transcript of the video itself. Also, you can copy the video, all of them. Okay, for example, copy and then open a notepad, for example, and just paste it here. So in that way, you got a transcript to your computer. I hope this helped you, and if you have something interesting in this guideline, just leave it in the comments below and see you in the next one. Bye bye.